Good morning, my dear students. Today, 30th of April 2020, and the day is Thursday. So let's begin with our chapter today. Before that, today's thought for the day is make something good every day. Make something good every day. We are going to start with chapter 2, The Kitten at Play. It's a beautiful poem by William Wordsworth. Now let us see and learn something about the poet. So the name of the poet is Now let's learn something about the poet. William Wordsworth, 1770 to 1850, is a famous English romantic poet. He was inspired by the beauty of nature and wrote several poems about nature. He was the poet laureate of England from 1843 till his death. Let us see the summary of the poem. In this poem, The Kitten at Play, the poet William Wordsworth describes about the kitten which is taking preparation to prey. The kitten bent down, stretched, and goes halfway with a tiger leap. When she comes near to her prey, she runs fast and jumps on her prey. She elegantly plays her part like an Indian magician. So children, let's enjoy the poem The Kitten at Play. So children, let's start with the poem. See the kitten on the wall, sporting with the leaves that fall. Withered leaves, 1, 2, and 3, falling from the lofty elder tree, through the calm and frosty air of the morning bright and fair. See the kitten how she starts, crouches, scratches, paws and darts. With the tiger leaf half away, now she meets the coming prey. Lets it go as fast and then has it in her power again. Now she walks with 3 or 4 like an Indian conjurer, quick as he in fits of art, gracefully she plays her part. Yet were gazing thousands there, what would little Tabby care? So this was our poem about the kitten at play. Thank you.